Good correlation. Duration and calories got a 0.922721 correlation, which is a very good correlation, and we can predict that the longer you work out, the more calories you burn. And the other way around, if you burned a lot of calories, you probably had a long workout. Bad correlation. Duration and max pulse got a 0.009403 correlation, which is a very bad correlation, meaning that we cannot predict the max pulse just by looking the duration of the workout and vice versa. Pandas plotting. So just look at this graph, which is known as pandas plotting. So here the blue line refers to the duration, orange line refers to the pulse, green line refers to the max pulse, and the red line refers to the calories. Plotting. So pandas uses the plot method to create diagrams. We can use PyPlot as a submodule of the matplotlib library to visualize the diagram on the screen. Read more about matplotlib in our matplotlib tutorials. Example: import PyPlot from matplotlib and visualize our data frame. Import pandas as PD. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. df is equal to pd.read underscore csv within braces data.csv. df.plot plt.show scatterplot. Specify that you want a scatterplot with the kind argument. Kind is equal to scatter. A scatter plot needs an x and a y axis. In the example below, we will use duration for the x axis and calories for the y axis. Include the x and y arguments like this. X is equal to duration and y is equal to calories. Example: import pandas as pd. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. df is equal to pd.read underscore csv data.csv. df.plot within braces kind is equal to scatter, x is equal to duration, y is equal to calories, plt.show. Result will be shown as the following diagram. Remember, in the previous example we learned that the correlation between duration and calories was 0.922721, and we concluded with the fact that higher duration means more calories burned. By looking at the scatter plot, I will agree. Let's create another scatter plot where there is a bad relationship between these columns. The duration and max pulse with the correlation 0.009403. Example: a scatter plot where there are no relationship between the columns. Import pandas as pd. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. df is equal to pd.read underscore csv data.csv. df.plot kind is equal to scatter, x is equal to duration, y is equal to max pulse. plt.show. The result will be as this diagram and histogram. Use this kind argument to specify that you want a histogram. Kind is equal to hist. A histogram meets only one column. A histogram shows up the frequency of each interval. Example: how many workouts lasted between 50 and 60 minutes. In the example below, we will use the duration column to create the histogram. Example: df within square braces duration dot plot kind is equal to hist. Result: we get a bar graph style of histogram. Note, the histogram tells that there were over 100 workouts that lasted between 50 and 60 minutes. So, introduction to machine learning. Let's continue with the introduction to machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield or artificial intelligence AI. The goals of a machine learning generally is to understand the structure of data and feed the data into models that can understood and utilized by people. Although machine learning is a field within